This is General Crow. He wants food, so he calls his army to get it. He tries, and then he goes away. This is a blue jay. He works for the crows, but is shy. He stands there, thinking of what to do. He flies away. This is Chickadee, the last member of Crow's army. One problem: he is so fat. He can't lift the peanut, but instead of calling for help, he eats it. He is greedy. This is Crow himself. Because his army failed, he has to do the work himself. But the squirrel is here. Crow can't steal from the squirrel's eyes, so he tries to scare him away. Crow fails and admits defeat. He flies away. Remember, squirrel lovers, subscribe